moment to settle into a quiet, sacred space. A space where your body can soften and your spirit can open. And gently close your eyes. Place one hand on your heart and one on your belly. And just begin to breathe. Inhale slowly through your nose and exhale gently through your mouth. Again, breathe in and release. And let your nervous system begin to soften. Let your mind begin to quiet. And let your body begin to open. With each breath, you are coming home to yourself. Now bring your awareness to the space at the center of your chest, the heart space, the portal between your human, physical self and your soul. And imagine a soft light there. Glowing, steady, pure. This is your inner sanctuary. And with each breath, allow this light to grow. Expanding into your chest. Feeling your body and surrounding you with warmth, safety, and peace. This is your light. And through this light, your higher guidance speaks. Now gently turn your attention upward to the crown of your head and visualize a beam of golden light, golden white light descending from above, a channel of divine wisdom. Direct connection to your higher self. Your soul, your guides, the divine. This light moves down through the top of your head and into your heart. And as it does so, it anchors into your body and feel yourself connected above and below. Heaven and earth, spirit. With your body grounded in your channel open, silently say, I am now open to receive guidance from my highest source. I am now open to receive guidance from my highest source. I invite only wisdom that is rooted in love, truth, and alignment. I invite only wisdom that is rooted in love, truth, and alignment. And now listen, feel, and trust. You may sense words, you may sense words, colors, emotions. Or you may hear a message or simply feel a deep peace. There is no right way to receive. Just allow your higher guidance to meet you in this space. You are safe, so just trust what comes. If you need to repeat it again, I now open to receive guidance from my highest source. I invite only wisdom that is rooted in love, truth, and alignment. And just listen. Notice any sensations that you feel in your body. Just trust. This could come in the form of color or emotions. Sometimes it's if you're hearing a voice that almost sounds like your own. Just trust it. And allow your higher guidance to meet you right here, right now. Know that you are safe to trust what comes in. Just remain in this space for a couple of minutes. When you feel like you've gotten the information, you've connected with your higher guidance, just stay and ask, what do I need to know right now? What beliefs do I have that are creating my life today? What beliefs can I let go of? What beliefs can I release? what beliefs. This is your light. And through this light, your higher guidance speaks. And now turn your attention upward to the crown of your head. Visualize a beam of golden light, white light descending from above. A channel of divine wisdom. A direct connection to your higher self. Your soul, your guides, be divine. This light moves down through the top of your head into your heart, anchors into your body. You feel yourself connected above and below, heaven and earth. Now thank your highest guidance for any insight or information they have shared with you today, and thank them for being part of your journey on this earth plane as a spirit being.